Welcome to the Painless Brazilian Portuguese pronunciation course. This is Ellie, and I am your guide because this is a guide too, not only a course. And in today's module, we are going to take a look at the word at the sound but nasal like this. Let's get started. And the first thing you have to know is that the pronunciation here, is actually the counterpart of the vowel like this. It's relaxed. You don't really nasalize or you don't really make nasal this sound. As I said before, it makes it sound very funny. Sounds like a ring bell, like bang, 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 that we have. Uh, it's not really good to make that nasal. Okay, so, and again, if you want to understand more of the pronunciation, just feel where it's pronounced, where the articulations move here in your mouth. If you say the English word bank, for example, and don't let the k out, the K sound out, you'll have something approximate to a nasal sound in Portuguese, like bang, bang, bang. And if you feel that part back here, bang, that's a nasal sound actually, a nasal vowel. So uh, this is involved and you have to feel that. Even though you may not be able to pronounce that correctly right now, you'll be able to do that in no time if you just practice and pay attention to how people speak in everyday conversations. Now, a quick pair just for you to see the difference between those two. É, em, é, em, veda, venda, veda, venda. Okay. We also have vende, another verb. E ve, vem, ve, vem, ve, vem ver, vem ver. It's it's really a nice sentence for us to have. Again, I talked about before, like even though there is no clear indication that it's a nasal sound, a nasal vowel, when we have a syllable preceded by a syllable uh, that has a nasal consonant, M or N, it contaminates that syllable. For example, problema. It's not problema, but problema. I'm told that some people in the state of São Paulo have this accent where they eliminate that kind of nasal environment. So they would say problema, not problema. And I've heard that before, but I'm not sure where they come from exactly. But problema, very nasal. Brain, brain, and menos, menos. Again, do you have to memorize all of that? No, you don't. Just pay attention to how people speak and it will come naturally to you. Okay, now, next module.